DHEA is a molecule that's in your body, and what it does, it helps the body stimulate to produce testosterone. We primarily use it in women, okay, as opposed to men, because women don't need as much testosterone as men. So a lot of times in your 30s up to 40s, we'll usually use in that range, we'll start using DHEA. Now, if they are an athlete and they've been active and they're still physically fit and they're in their 50s, even 60s, and they're still exercising and everything, we usually start them, and you want to start with the DHEA before you start the testosterone, okay? Because it's a precursor, if you will. So it helps to build up that testosterone naturally, okay? And it's a lysosomal delivery, so you're not worrying about if you've got a digestive problem, or am I absorbing right, am I doing all these things, do I have enzymes present? It just bypasses all that and gets it in the bloodstream, okay? By doing that, we're stimulating those areas that produce the testosterone, okay? And that prevents a whole host of things. It'll increase the muscle mass. Sometimes it'll help with libido too in younger women. The ideal candidate for the DHEA, needing DHEA, would be someone who is starting to lose a little muscle mass. They can't get the gains that they want. They're noticing that I'm increasing some fat covering and I have a reduction in my libido, okay? Now that's going to be kind of across the board, both sexes, men and women, but especially for women, okay? And at that point we need to stimulate that and try to work with that. So you might start with the DHEA, and then you can always move up to the testosterone.